When the baseline origin of your design drawings changes, you need to calibrate the workpiece origin operation. Enter MDI mode. Click on Setup. It is recommended to install a cylindrical milling cutter on the spindle instead of a conical one. Enter negative milling cutter radius values at X and Y. Then locate the origin coordinates of the X, Y, and Z axes. Suggest using MPG mode to move the spindle, as it will be easier and more precise. Move the milling cutter installed on the spindle to the outermost edge of the workpiece by manipulating the handwheel. Firstly, move the milling cutter close to the Y-axis positioning column. The current display value is the Y-axis coordinate. Click on Teaching and set Y. Y-axis coordinates set. Set the X-axis coordinates to the same operation. Set the Z-axis coordinates to the same operation. Please note that the origin of your design drawings is on the upper or lower surface of the workpiece. Workpiece origin calibration completed.